top 5 best frying pan set, low price, and splash guard. Number 5. To let you know when the pan is perfectly preheated. The included splash guard helps keep your stovetop free from oil splatters, ideal for everyday cooking. Is both affordable and practical for all kitchen tasks. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 4. Cuisinart offers a fantastic value with this 12-piece set. It includes a variety of frying pans, all with a non-stick surface for easy food release and cleaning. The splash guard is an excellent addition, allowing you to cook without the mess. Perfect for families, this set combines functionality and affordability. The ergonomic handles and splash guard make cooking safer and cleaner, and the set's low price makes it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. With titanium, the Green Pan Paris Pro Frying Pan offers a durable, easy-to-clean surface for all types of cooking. Its splash guard ensures that oil splatters are minimized while you prepare your favorite dishes. This pan is also oven-safe and perfect for low-fat cooking. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. T-File Stainless Steel Splatter Screen. The T-File Stainless Steel Splatter Screen is made with high-quality stainless steel mesh and is designed to prevent hot oil splashes from making a mess in the kitchen. Its large diameter offers ample coverage for large pans. The ergonomic handle features a soft touch design for comfort, and the screen is dishwasher safe. Best for large frying pans and easy handling. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 1. Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard. The Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard is a great budget-friendly option made from premium stainless steel mesh. It offers excellent protection against hot oil and grease splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The silicone-covered handle ensures a safe, non-slip grip and is designed to fit most frying pans. It's also dishwasher safe for convenience. Best for budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. Check latest price. Visit the description link.